Folks, you see that? That's a 2015 Audi Q5 SQ5. This is a 3.0 turbo. She's all-wheel drive. She's got the 20-inch wheels. She's got the leather and suede seating. Dual panel panoramic roof. Bang & Olufsen sound. All buttoned up, heated seats. Power rear gate. This is a one-owner car, folks, and the Carfax is perfect on it. Absolutely immaculate inside. Extra clean. She's dialed in. Tires are fresh. Brakes are good. Mechanically sound. Drives out 110%. Guaranteed credit approval is available on this. Starting down payments are closer to $3,000 on this little lady. And she's here now, DasCleveland.com.